Well, hi, good morning. Thanks so much for joining me here in my shop. Today is a beautiful July 9th. The sun is hot, the air is cool. I feel so guilty because there's so many people in North America suffering from heat, drought, all kinds of bad stuff. Not here though, except for this guy. So this is a nice scanner. It was given to me by a friend years and years and years ago, and I basically had it running 24/7 since then, usually on one or two frequencies that I'm interested in monitoring. But over the last 6 months, the volume has gotten weaker and weaker until there is no volume. So either I'm going to retire this today, or I'm going to figure out if I can fix it or even fix it. But the chances, frankly, are pretty low for me with something like this. Let's switch it on. Whoops, no power. Let's put the power to it. There we go. So you can see the scanner numbers come up, and the unit will scan. Why won't it scan right now? Oh my gosh! I fixed it! Just like that! What did I do? I took the cabinet screws out of it. How come this is working now? Okay, let's try a frequency. So we will try, where are we here? It's not on scan, that's probably not scanning because it's like, there it goes, scanning. Great, we're going to stop it. All kinds of frequencies in here. Not in 10 though. So I'm just going through bank number 10. Yeah, it's full of frequencies too. Lockout. Oh, these are some really old. What is this stuff? 198, 199, 200. Back to 153. 153. This is just full of frequencies here. Lockout. So if you program a frequency in there, if later you want to skip it but you don't want to unprogram it, you can lock it out. And that's what's going on here. Well, is there really nothing wrong with this? We got to pick something up. So now it's reacting to the antenna. One frequency would be 128,800. Let's try that. So we'll go program 128.8000. Enter. Okay, so this is the aircraft frequency for airplanes landing at a small airport a short distance from here. That's full volume. And we'd have to wait for a plane to fly over, close enough to my house, and for the guy to talk. Oh. Well, I have the lid coming off. Why don't we take the lid off while we're waiting? I mean, maybe no planes are going to go by for an hour. Who knows? It's the weekend. It's Saturday. Kind of what I thought. It's chock full of parts. Yeah, and me coming along and fixing something in here, not so likely. So, good thing it's working. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Why, I darn well fixed it really good. What exactly did I do? There's the speaker. There's the speaker wires. Not them. I just... There's some little tiny dirt in a connection, and I just brush this and it's gone, and that's it. Still no airplanes. Okay, is there anything else I want to check? So the front panel here doesn't light up anymore, and I think this is one of those panels that has like it's like an LED panel, if you like. I think now that it's not going to light, it's just not going to light. I have a switch back here. It would switch on and off this light. The idea was you could run this thing on a 9-volt battery. You can run this on a 9-volt battery. You keep the light off, you're going to get a little more life out of it. That was my buddy's thinking, but as you can see, the light is fizzled here. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to deal with that. Well, I don't know what it was. A lot of chips in here, but they look like they're all soldered in place. Something's a little loose. Maybe we can track it down. Maybe we can track something down here. I hate to put it all back together. It's a very strange sound. It's like you're setting in motion something. But I can't find anything. Well, there you go. That's how you fix one of these. You take the lid off. Yeah, you're gonna break it. Well, no airplanes flew over. Let's let this guy scan. Maybe we'll find something here.
No order then?
There we are. Okay, that's it.
Huh. I'm not getting anything back. Maybe I misheard the surname. Can you just give me that real quick? Yeah, surname's Charlie, India, Charlie.
So I'm not allowed to send this kind of stuff out on a recording when personal information and stuff?
10-4, 1970, January 26th? Yeah, 10-4.
So in Canada, the rules for listening to radio, like a hobbyist like me, is, and this is my understanding, so I could have it wrong, consult a lawyer, you can listen to anything you can get.
10-4, it's showing 1060 negative CNN, there's no 27 for me there.
If it comes in on your property, you can receive it. The thing is, you cannot tell anybody what it is you've heard. That's where you break the law. So, in me recording, this is a police call, I'm pretty sure. Recording this on a video and then playing it is against the law. So I'm trying to make sure I don't let any... because on the police radio and here...
Papa 101.
Here in my town, it's as you can see, it's...
Papa 101, go ahead.
It's one frequency. There's no...
I'm going to respell that given to you for you here. It's going to be Charlie, India, Charlie... Yeah.
Yeah, in my town, the police use just an ordinary single frequency as far as I know, with regular radios. You can hear everything. And boy, people worry about their privacy. Well, anybody with a scanner like this in my town.
Papa 101, are you 1069 for the return?
Names, birth dates, everything comes out. Oh.
Party is 1063, it's 1068 on a 150 kilometer
seize of property, breach of recognizance, possession of a Schedule 1 substance times 2, failure to attend court. So it's Rama Police from May 5th of this year. He's 1068 awaiting disposition for possession of property, breach of recognizance, possession of a Schedule 1 substance times 2, release on an undertaking, conditions to attend what court is require, not to have any communication indirectly or directly with the Sarah Stinson. That's with Rama Police as well from July 31st of last year. He was also 1072 drive for unpaid fine. Another 1072 drive province-wide for family support HTA. And another suspend drive for remedial HTA.
10-4, thanks.
I guess that's your classic, got a criminal record as long as your arm type guy. Excuse me. Well, I don't know what I did, but I did something, so I hope you enjoyed that. I wish all my repairs were this easy. So, fantastic. Great. What did I do? I don't know. I'm going out into the sunshine now, so thanks for watching. Crazy video. See ya.